they could tell the sequencing. So the fear is that this could trigger a very strong NASA response that we saw yesterday at the rendezvous at Max's house.
This is an NBC News special report.
Here's Max Rock.
We have breaking news at this hour.
We have interrupted this program. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. The National Primary EAS System has issued a national emergency global notification for Earth.
The following message is being delivered at the request of Max Nyquist. This is a global warning. The asteroid called the Planet Killer is going to hit Earth. The Planet Killer asteroid is going to hit Earth, and there's no way to stop it. Make sure you have enough non-perishable canned meals and drinkable water for the next 14 days.